Hey, this is Culver from Symmetry Electronics, and in part 4 of our Medium 1 video series, we'll be taking a look at how engineers can create workflows for their IoT application using Medium 1's IoT Cellular kit and Digi's XBee3 LTE-M cellular modem. Throughout this video series, we talked about how engineers can use Medium 1 to create an end-to-end IoT product with little effort. We demonstrated this by showing our concept product, the Smart Pillbox. And we showed you how to program the XBee3 to connect the Smart Pillbox into Medium 1's cloud platform. Next up, we'll show you how to create workflows so you can get your application started. Workflows in Medium 1 are scripts written in Python that run on Medium 1's cloud platform. These workflows give engineers the ability to program triggers that activate either when a specified event is received from the board or based on a determined schedule. Some of the things you can do with workflows include gathering data analytics for your team and sending alerts. Only developers have access to the workflow. It is not meant to be programmed by the end user. Once we're logged into Medium 1, we'll first head to the Workflow Studio on the left. Here you can see that we've already built a few workflows for our pillbox. Most of them are deactivated, and we'll be showing you how to recreate the first two workflows, the offline check and the medicine schedule check. With this blank canvas, we first add our inputs to our application on the right side. I'll add one that detects the movement of the box lid, a custom input for tracking time, and an input for determining device ID. First thing I want to do is determine the timing interval of the script to 15 minutes. Next up, I'm going to device ID and deselecting trigger to make sure we are only accepting real devices here. Now that we have all of our inputs, we can add our base module on the right-hand side. Opening the module, we'll add 3 inputs here and connect them. We'll also need an output, so we go to the right-hand side and add our output. I'll change the output data stream to notification. Now that we have all the pieces in place, let's add in the Python code to process the workflow. We've already created code for this, which you can find on GitHub. Check the syntax and then save. We're done with the offline check workflow. Next up is the medicine schedule check. This is actually the same process as the previous workflow, so I'll quickly build this out. The Python code here is also provided on GitHub. Now that we have both workflows, we'll activate them by going to the revisions and clicking the Activate button. We can also turn on the debugger. This will print out any error logs that occur for easier debugging of issues. Same thing for the other workflow. I'll activate it and turn on the debugger. Now with both workflows created, we'll test them out. If you recall, the first of the 3 inputs detect the opening and closing of the pillbox lid, while the second input controls the timer. If we head to dashboard and come down to the real-time event stream, we can see a log of the output from our device. If you had multiple devices, you would select the device you wanted to view based on the device's IMEI number from the drop-down on the right corner. Here, I've created a few events that have been logged by the workflow. You can see the workflow that is being activated and the corresponding device ID. In our next video, we'll be covering the end user experience on Medium One's cloud portal. Be sure to check out that video to understand what it's like for the customer to use your product. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our future videos. And for all things wireless IoT and video, Symmetry has you covered.